So to get your free crypto, the first thing you need to do is open up a Coinbase account, and I will put a link down in the description. All you have to do is click on it, and it'll take you to the page where you can open up your account. And you just put in your email and add your password, and then it's going to take you to the next page. Then it'll ask you to verify your email, and you just go to your email inbox and make sure that you verify that everything looks good. So once you verify your email address, then you're going to go ahead and create your Coinbase account. And here's the thing. Once you create your account, you're going to have to secure it and jump through a couple hoops because this is like a financial transaction. I mean, you are going to have to pay taxes if you make some money. So you'll put in your phone number. They'll send you an SMS, text code to put in, which this is my code, so it's not going to work for yours. But once you get that, you put it in, and then that kind of verifies who you are and verifies your identity. And then from there, you have to put in your social security number and date of birth and all that kind of stuff. And again, you might be thinking, well, why do I have to put in my social security number? Just like if you had a job and you get paid, or you opened up some other financial, like you opened a bank or something where you're it's got to be tied to your taxes, because you are going to get taxed on this stuff. And you want to keep that in mind, because if you had bought, 10 Bitcoin when they were $8 a piece, and then they went up to $56,000, you're responsible for the tax. So 10 Bitcoin would have been worth $560,000, and taxes on $560,000 aren't going to be $5,000. It's going to be quite a bit more. So just make sure that you're aware of that. So you go into Bitcoin, you get all set up, you get some Bitcoin right off the bat. You see here, they'll probably change that here and there, but you're going to have to do that. Then you're going to have to take pictures with the photo ID, and these pictures will help verify who you are and that you're a real person. I just used my driver's license, so give Coinbase access to your camera and put your driver's license in there. And let's see, hopefully I blurred mine out. Because I'm making this audio after I made this video. So you'll take a picture of the front of your license, and if I'm remembering correctly, then I'm going to have to take a picture of the back of the license as well. So once you get set up, you're going to have an opportunity to get some free cryptocurrency. If you'll see there, I got $5 for verifying my ID. And there's different kinds of cryptocurrency. And so as you move through Coinbase, you're going to see some different opportunities to earn cryptocurrency just by watching some videos. So let me scroll down here. And so you see this one, what is Stellar lumens. So you can watch a video and then answer some questions on what Stellar is. And, I'll tell you, you can just go through and answer the questions and get them wrong and then re-answer them, and you're still going to earn your crypto. Because I did that on, other than the very first one I did, where I watched the video and tried to answer all the questions, I actually just went through most of them and just clicked on the answers that sounded right. And if they were wrong, I'd say, that's not it, try again. I'd click on another one, and you just go through. Now, this has been sped up. It's kind of, obviously I'm not reading this and doing this fast, but I just wanted to speed it up so you'd have an idea. And then once you get all this crypto in these different types of crypto, then you can trade them all. So let's say you got all 3, 4, 5 different types of crypto for free, and you wanted it to be Bitcoin. You could trade it all into Bitcoin, or you could trade it all into Stellar Lumens or XLM or whatever you wanted to trade it to. You could transfer it all over and trade it into that particular type of crypto. So it's pretty cool what you can do. Now I've sped it up even more, so I'm going through these really fast just to give you an idea of $2, $3, how much you can earn by watching these videos or answering the questions if you don't watch the videos. So it's worth it if you don't have any crypto just to download Coinbase just in order to earn some free coins and get started. I'm going to show you how much I have in my account in a minute just after getting started, but I want to show you the last way that you can get some free crypto, and specifically free Bitcoin, is by inviting friends. Now, you can do this as many times as you want. So when you invite somebody to open a Coinbase account and they deposit $100, which most people will at some point, because you get sucked in, you get some free crypto, and then you decide, hey, I want to do this some more. So you deposit $100 so you can get started. And when someone does that, you're going to get $10 added in Bitcoin to your Coinbase account. So you can share it with people like what I'm doing right here on the screen. Just, send them a link, friend request in Facebook or on LinkedIn or whatever, and say, hey, try out Coinbase. Here's a link. If you get started, I get credit. And some people are going to do it. But you know how I like the recurring revenue model. So what I want is to get $10 deposited over and over and over into my account. So in order to do that, and you see here, these are the emails from the little free trainings that I did. But if you want to get lots of Bitcoin, you need to do like what I'm doing. Put links in your blog, put it in, do attraction marketing, do YouTube, do something with the link in it so that when people sign up and get started, you get credit, and that can happen over and over and over. So people are going to click on this and they're going to start their Coinbase account, and some of those people are going to deposit $100. And when they do, then I'm going to get credit for that. So just keep that in mind, that there's a lot of cool stuff that you can do with Coinbase. And while I'm on this topic, Coinbase just went public last week, I think. And it's expensive, but if you can afford it, get a couple shares of Coinbase or get a bunch of shares of Coinbase. Because I think as crypto keeps growing in popularity, Coinbase is the easy way. It's first to market. It's the easy way to trade cryptocurrency. So you're going to want to make sure that you have some shares in this in the good old-fashioned way of just owning public shares in a company. And so I highly suggest everybody does that. Now let's take a look at how you take this free crypto that you've got and you convert it into Bitcoin if you want some Bitcoin. So we've already earned a little bit of Stellar Lumens and, XLM and some other coins. So you're going to go in and you're going to trade them. And when you click on the trade button, you just tell how much worth of that particular thing you have. So you're seeing here, I'm trading from XLM to BTC, which is Bitcoin. And so I put in $10.24 available. So I'm going to put in that I want to trade that much, and then I'll trade that all over to Bitcoin, and it'll give me 0.00017674 amounts of Bitcoin. So like I said, you can trade back and forth and put the coins into whatever coin you want. Maybe you don't want Bitcoin. Maybe you want something else. Or maybe you just want to, after watching those videos and answering those questions, you think, I really do like this coin. I want to keep this coin. So, there's a whole lot that you can do once you have the Coinbase app. So go to the link in the description and make sure that you download it and deposit your $100 or more, and happy trading. While I'm going over this, I also want to let you know how you can actually pay for something in Bitcoin using Coinbase. So let's say you want to purchase something, or somebody on Facebook Market or on Craigslist or something says, I take Bitcoin, and you have Bitcoin, or maybe they take XLM, maybe they take one of those other coins, and you happen to have them in Coinbase. So you can actually transfer crypto using Coinbase to any other user that has Coinbase. So it makes it a real easy way to do transfers, and you just use a code like this one, and you can copy the wallet address, and I forget what those little symbols are called, but you can use that, and you can transfer your Bitcoin from you to somebody else, and it is that easy. You can also take it out to a wallet. I hope this video helped you get your free Bitcoin or free cryptocurrency. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos, and check out one of our next videos.